Yo, what's good, YouTube? In this video, I'll be showing y'all the three market conditions if you're new to trading and you need a breakdown as to how to get into trading and the step-by-step process of finding the trade. Make sure you stay tuned for the end of this video where I'm going to be showing y'all, like I said before, three of the trends that you are going to see in the market to make it easier for you, because I feel like a lot of people overcomplicate trading, which is, it doesn't need to be that, honestly. I've been showing my mentee how to trade, and she really got it down packed within the second month. You feel me? Like, it's been like a month and a couple of days now. It's coming on to two. Now, it is coming on to 2 months. I'm gonna be honest. The other fourth, like the fourth, fifth, that's when we started. So it's 2 months in, and she's understanding something that took me about 3 years to really get down packed. And like I said, that's just understanding the market conditions and knowing what you're looking at. So in this video, we're gonna start off with the uptrend. Okay. So there's only three ways that the market can move. I done repeated that multiple times within the start of this video, and I just want to keep emphasizing that so people can understand, like, bro, as long as the market is either doing this, right? This is an uptrend. Doing this is a downtrend, or it may be doing this. All right. Now, a lot of people be like, "Oh, there's only two ways that the market can move," which is true, right? But as in the types of market conditions, when we take it to that point, these are trends, okay? Uptrend, downtrend. But these three are the market conditions where sometimes it may just be consolidated. And that's what this call right here. So we're going to put uptrend. Go ahead and clone this. Switch this to downtrend. Okay. Clone that again. And this is consolidation. So ideally, when you're looking at the market, these are the three conditions. Once again, these are the two trends. So as long as you follow the trend, you'll be good. Of course, sometimes you're gonna lose if you still, looking for buys, you're still looking for sales. But over time, as I continue to keep showing y'all like how to actually trade within the markets, it's gonna be some sauce that I give y'all to where your trades are very, very tight with the stop loss, but the take profit is expanded. So it's like you can make 6 times of what you risk, meaning that you're risking a 1 to 6, right? And that's where ratios and different things like that. I have a whole like checklist right here of the videos that I need to do. So this is like the second video, because the first one was what is Forex and why you should trade. Definitely go watch that one. This is the second one, which is the three market conditions, understanding the three market conditions. Then, so on and so forth. I ain't gonna spoil the next video. You just gotta stay tuned. You know what I'm saying? But as long as you follow the trend is your friend. That's one thing that is said a lot within the market. And let me explain as to what they mean by that. Okay, so for those that didn't watch the first video, which, like I said, I recommend you to do so, is that the banks and the institutions are the ones that really move the market for real. Like me as a retail trader, you as a retail trader, and everybody else that trades their own capital, and it's not like a vast, amount of money. We're just individuals that follow the institutions and the banks and so on and so forth. Unless you get out early, you feel me? But when you start trading with them, and you're like the bird that's on a rhino, or you like the Formora fish that's on a shark, and you just move with the masses, and what they leave behind, you pick up on, because my $3,000 or the next person's $10,000 is not going to move the market. The banks are putting billions to millions, or millions to billions of dollars within these markets, and that's what's moving this the whole market. You know what I'm saying? The whole trend. So that's why, it's best to follow the trend and not trade against it, because that's when trading gets confusing and you just lost and don't understand what's going on. I'm gonna show y'all an example of an uptrend, of a downtrend, of consolidation as well within this video. So make sure you stay tuned to be able to identify exactly what you're looking at. Because like I said, bro, like just the fact that I'm showing my mentee how to trade, and she's only been with me for about almost 2 months now, and she's getting it. Like we was marking up charts early, and I'm like, damn, like, bro, it took me about 6 to 7 months just to get this down pack. And the fact that you just did it on two different charts and got the same exact entry that I got, it's like, bro, that's why I'm like, damn, like, let me start recording videos for YouTube and like going back to the basics. Because yes, I post, a lot of advanced stuff, but as in the basics of going back to square one and really just giving the baby steps. I know a lot of y'all do need that. So here it is today. It's the start of some new content. All right. So let's say the market was to pull back down and stop here, but then come up and shoot. It is still following the uptrend, right? It is still up for an uptrend. I understand that it broke this low, and some people be like, oh, it's going down for a downtrend now. If that high breaks this, it's still going for the uptrend. Same thing with the downtrend. Okay. Same thing with the downtrend. It could break that high, stop right here, and then go down. Okay. Now, with the uptrend, we identify these highs. I'm sorry, I'm tripping. These lows and these highs. All right. So this will be considered a higher low. This is a higher high. This is a higher high. This is a higher low. This is a higher low. And then this is a higher high. Now, this may be confusing to some people when you first start, but the way that I explained to my mentee was like, look, just put whatever trend that you're on first. So let's say that I'm on an uptrend, as y'all can see here, right? I'm going to put high first, and I'm going to put low, right? Because I'm in a higher low right here. Make these smaller. All right, that's better. All right. So now up here, okay, I'm obviously, like I said, once again, I'm on an uptrend. So it's a high. All right, bet that's a high too. All right, same thing with this one. This came down, okay. I'm in an uptrend, so this is a low, higher high, so on and so forth. You just continue to keep doing this across the well, really, I don't put this on my I don't put this on my chart when I trade. I just know it, like, you know what I'm saying. But I'm just saying that it makes trading just easier, because you know that on the uptrend you're buying at a higher low, and then on the downtrend you're selling at a lower high. You see, you just gotta flip it, because sometimes it does take a lot of time for someone to get this down. Which, like I said, showing y'all this, we're on a downtrend, so it is a lower high. Clone that. This is a lower low. This is a lower high. This is a lower low, and so on and so forth. So, and I'm not even gonna talk about this right now, because I know that if I do, it's gonna start getting confusing for some people. So I'm gonna just leave that out. And that's why I always say, bro, like one-on-ones is way better. So if you are looking for one-on-one mentorship, tap in with me on my Instagram at al.wavy. I just started my mentorship, and like I said, bro, what it took me 3 years to understand, my mentee just understood in 2 months. Which of course is not gonna be the same for everybody. depending on how much time we take for each other. But I do 2 weekly calls, um, a plan, like a, how can I say this, like a trading plan to understand how much money you can make in a month, possibly when you first start. It's an earn while you learn system. So I'm sending you my trades that I'm in and what we have going on with either, well, I only trade GBPUSD now, but I also do crypto with XRP. So I'm telling y'all, man, definitely something that you do want to invest in, because I am like that, and I've done show y'all time and time on my YouTube. Like, even through the losses, bro, I'm still here. I'm still progressing, and now we getting to a point where trading is really paying the bills for real. Now, with a consolidation, there's really no lower high, lower low. Like, it's just weird. Like, it's not really trending for real. So that's why I say it's three conditions, but there's two trends. All right. Now, with that being said, since we have this understood, now I'm gonna show y'all within the market as to what we're looking at. Boy, oh true. But before then, I do want to say this, right? Because this is something also that we learned within the market quickly. Like me, just like, it's crazy because like I said, I'm already advanced, so it's like I've been doing this for a couple years, well, 3 to 4 years now. So just going back to the basics is just something that I naturally already know, so I don't really think about it much. But there always is a trend inside of a trend. Okay, so within this uptrend, all right, let's say that this is a 4 hour move. This is the 4 hour trend. All right, within the 1 hour, there's gonna be a downtrend. Let me change colors for this. Make this red. All right. So within this uptrend, it's gonna be a down moment. All right. Now, that does not mean indulge in a down moment. That just means stay within your trend and just wait. Just be patient for your entry. Once you get your entry, you can take it up and continue this uptrend that you're looking for. Because let's say I'm in this uptrend and then I just start selling, I may confuse myself and you may take an unnecessary L, when in reality, if you just stay patient and waited for the buy, you could have just took it up. Because I did that myself last week where, well, not really, because it was a downtrend, but I knew eventually it was going to start buying again. So, you feel me? Like, and like I said, you will learn from your mistake. So, same thing with this downtrend. There's going to be an uptrend going up, and then eventually it will break. So always know that there's a trend within the trend. All right, cool. We got this down pack. Now we're gonna go. Hold on, let me put this right here. Need to take a picture of this. It's gonna be the thumbnail. Nah, me doing this in front of y'all is OD, but this is what we do. Oh, okay. Type of. Boom. All right. Now, let me show y'all what I mean. Okay. So personally, me, I am a swing trader, and with being a swing trader, you don't trade as much as scalpers or as people that just day trade. Okay, with a swing trader, I probably take, well, really only take one position every single. Well, let me just say one trade every single week. I may take multiple positions within that trade, within that pair. As you can see, GBPUSD is what I trade. So, with that being said, as y'all can see down here on the 4 hour time frame, we are on the uptrend, right? Y'all can clearly see we are on the uptrend. So with that being said, I am waiting for this market, and this is not even the right one, it's this one. I am waiting for the market to come back down into this area so I can buy up, because I am following the 4-hour trend. On a daily time frame, no lie, this is a sell on a daily time frame. But like I said, I trade on the 4-hour time frame. And really on a daily, this is flipping to a buy. Like now it's flipping to a buy because this is the last high that made this low. But the daily is it's man, for those that get it, get it. Y'all get what I'm trying to say. All right. So I am waiting for this to come down here to then take it up for a buy. But as you can see here, the formation, the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 formation that I always tell you about in my videos, more advanced, like it is exactly what we have here. The market shot up, it came down, shot up again, breaking number one, making a liquidity up here because there's another high up here that needs to get taken out. Now it's going down, breaking number two, come into the zero area, which is going to respect this 4-hour order block. As y'all can see, we're on a 4-hour time frame. It's a 4-hour candle. All right, candle is just price. It's just price action. It just shows where price is. Okay. So over time, I'm gonna explain, candles and all of that a little bit. But that's why I drew the line, so it just makes it so much easier. Instead of looking every single candle, just look at the line. I drew this line from this bottom of this candle to the top of this candle to the swing high. All right. Do not make trading complicated. I promise it doesn't need to be that. Some people may have some more questions to like what exactly everything that I'm explaining. Drop it down in the comments or just get with me for mentorship. Like, it is so important to have someone that you can like ask your questions, because I know everybody have different questions. I had questions when I first started. You feel me? So like that is an uptrend. If we go back here, okay, this was a downtrend. As y'all can see, market is just making lows and then lows and then lows. So you always want to sell at a lower high, and you always want to buy. You always want to buy at a higher low. Okay? Do not make trading complicated, y'all. I promise y'all it's not that, it doesn't need to be that. Basically, that's really what I'm getting at. Like, it does not need to be that at all. Let me see. That's what I really like about GU. Like, it don't really consolidate like that. Like, you can say this consolidation, but it did exactly what I just told y'all too. Yeah, that's not even consolidation. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all. Like, it looks like it, but if you really know how to, like, if you really know what you're looking at, that would be such an easy trade to just spot. You know what I'm saying? Like, even right here, it happened again. Just following the trend. I promise y'all. Y'all follow the trend. The trend is your friend. On me. I did that wrong. Boom. Up there. Easy. Every time. Look at that. Following the trend. Look, so I know this is going up for a buy, right? Let me show y'all how many positions I'll hit. So this will be one trade right here. That'll be one. This will be two. This will be three. I ain't gonna lie, this will be tricky because like I see it, but at the same time, would I even get it in there? Let's count that one. Right, that is 4 entries that I just got off of one. Well, I wouldn't say one move because, like, you know what I'm saying? It eventually broke, of course, but one entry here, another entry here, taking it up, another entry here, taking it up, and I'm getting out at the high too. So you buy at a higher low and you sell that buy at that high. Bro, I hope I'm not losing people. It's getting deep. But now, y'all, that's gonna be the end of this video. Hopefully I did understand the three market conditions within this $7.3 trillion. I think it's 7.8 trillion I heard recently. But this market is crazy, bro. Take advantage of it. Don't make it complicated. Y'all stay tuned for the next videos, man. DHS is out.